Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics 10. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can create a box mockup using vanishing point in Photoshop. So let's get started. So I have created this box mockup using vanishing points. Pretty easy stuff. So this is before after. So let's create that in this video. So take a box photo. You will get this easily in websites like freepik.com. So once you get this, in the layers panel, create a blank layer using new layer option. Now once you create new layer, go to filter and go to vanishing point. Now we need to create a plane using this tool, create plane tool, shortcut key C. So I will create it on one side, and remember we want the same design on all the sides. That's why we are using vanishing point. Now make sure that the selection on this side is proper, otherwise once you extend this plane selection, it won't be easy to move anything in this particular selection. So make sure that it is proper. If you need, zoom it. So I'm not going to do that. And to extend this, press and hold Control, or if you are using Mac then Command, press and hold Control and drag it. Even if it is not properly matching, it's okay. Now release Control or Command button and one after one, put it properly on the corners. Even if it is not 100% correct, that is okay. Make it as close as possible. So I think this is the closest I can get. Now again press and hold Control or Command and left click and drag. So this is the plane that we have created. Now we are going to put the design over this. So press OK. So our plane is created. Now choose the design, any design that you want. So I'm going to select this, select all, and copy, edit, copy, and again go to this layer 1 and go to filter and go to vanishing point, and now we have to paste the design. Control V or Command V, paste it. Now using this tool, transform tool, we need to adjust the size and placement. So go over here. If you want it like this, it's okay. Now if you want it other way around, then simply rotate this using the corners, and you can increase the size, change the size, resize like this. If you are happy, then press OK. So we have created the design, we have put the design over the box, but one more thing is remaining. This is not looking realistic, so we need to use the blending option. So go to layers panel and blending options. Now choose this. So this looks better. As you can see, we can see the shadows. Again try other things, but I think multiply looks the best. So keep it to multiply, and that's it. This is looking pretty good. Now as you can see, this portion is not really done properly, but that's okay. We have to select the plane properly, but we can see the shadows are visible and this is looking realistic. So the same design is on all the sides, in this case on 3 sides. So this is how we can create box mockup using vanishing point in Photoshop. So that's it for this video. If you find this video useful, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.